Hi, I've got a 2015 Ford F-150 with the power sliding rear window. The window is held in with a plastic rail at the top that allows the window to slide from left to right. The rail has come away from the glass, and upon inspection I found that it had some adhesive that was holding it to the glass itself. In this video I'm going to show you how to repair that if it happens to you.
The back window slides left and right. It's a power operated window, and you can see right here that it fell out of the track, and on the outside there's a gasket that prevents water from getting in, but up on the top here, all along here, is the rail that holds this window in, and it had separated from the top here and runs the length of the back here. So I've cleaned up as much of the old adhesive that you can see here on both sides, and I used a regular glass scraper, and that seemed to work pretty well. And I'll show you the tools that I used to do that.
I'm going to show you the items I used to perform this job. The first is make sure you get some rubber gloves. It's a dirty job, and the stuff that you're working with can get on your hands, and it takes a while to clean off, so just make sure you have some rubber gloves. Next thing is this glass and tile scraper. This was the best that I found. The blades are easily interchangeable, and they do a really good job of taking the adhesive material that was originally applied by the factory off. I did try to use this little Stanley one, and it works in the small areas. That's a little much for this, but by and large this was the best tool to use to scrape off the old adhesive. Also, you may have a little adhesive left that you can't get scraped off. I sprayed a little WD-40 on it, and it loosened it up, and I was able to wipe off most of it and give it a clean surface to adhere to. The product that you're going to use is the 3M window weld, part 08609. It's a black, almost silicone type product. You just use a regular caulking gun to apply it. And here's the product that I failed to use the last time, which really made the difference. And it's the 3M single step primer. The part number on this is 08681. And what you do is you shake this up really well, and then once you open the lid, there's no applicator inside. So what you need is a dauber. I got this one at Home Depot. It was I don't know, $1.25. It's adjustable, so it can be a little longer, shorter, whatever your needs are, but this worked out pretty good for me. And then once you got it all shooken up, then I just applied the dauber inside, got a little bit on its black colored, and then put it on the window and just did a complete line all the way across the window where the rail goes. Once I set that aside, it dries pretty quick. Then I got the window weld and had already applied a bead to it on the back of the rail, so that I could just simply take the rail and press it up against the glass. And this product really made it really easy. When I only used the window weld by itself, the rail would slide down and it wouldn't stick and it wouldn't adhere. This primer, it stuck right away. So that's a little warning also, to make sure that you're in the right position with the rail.
I started to take off the old adhesive, and as you can see, I just use this tile scraper, glass scraper, take it off. This is the track I was talking about. It slides the window in here, and then what gets or what you see from the front is this part. On the back side, where these little channels are, that's where the adhesive will get placed. So I run a bead all along the length like that, and when I press it, it'll flatten out. Once you get the bar in place and kind of trial fit it to make sure that it's in the appropriate spot, then I use blue tape just to outline where the window is on both sides. That way I know that the bar's in the right spot, and then I just glue it and put it in place. So the window's cured about 24 hours. I've removed the tape and kind of cleaned up a little bit, and I'm going to test the window. And it looks like everything's good.